What if, tonight, you looked up and saw a second Earth in the sky, a perfect twin suspended there in the night, so close, so real, so beautiful? It's not a distant star, nor some passing comet. It's another world, Earth 2. A world just like ours waiting to be discovered. At that moment, everything changes. The question we've been asking for centuries, are we alone in the universe, suddenly becomes irrelevant, because in that instant, we know we are not. The real question is, what does this mean for us? Could we share the universe with another version of ourselves? Before we dive deeper, if you're enjoying the journey, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow and ensures you don't miss what's coming next. As Earth 2 hangs in the sky, so close it feels like we could reach out and touch it, the implications begin to sink in. For the first time, we realize that humanity could be part of something much larger than we ever imagined. But there's something else lurking beneath this discovery. A fear. A fear of what lies on this twin planet. Could it be a perfect replica of Earth, or has it evolved differently? If life exists there, what if it's far more advanced than ours? What if they've already found a way to live sustainably in harmony with their world, while we struggle to save our own? The possibilities of Earth 2 are limitless. It could be the key to saving our planet, offering untapped resources, new ecosystems, and a fresh start for humanity. But the risks are equally high. Could this new world become a battleground for resources? Could the same greed and ambition that led to war on Earth carry over to the twin planet? As we consider the discovery, we're left with a chilling question. Are we ready to share Earth 2, or will we treat it as our next frontier to conquer, pushing its resources to the breaking point, just as we have done with our own world? As the days go by, the excitement of the discovery of Earth 2 gives way to a deeper contemplation. What if Earth 2 is not just an opportunity, but a mirror, a reflection of everything we've done wrong here on Earth? A place where the same patterns of exploitation, greed, and conflict could take root again. We might find ourselves at war with our twin, not over land or power, but over something much deeper, the right to control the future. A war of ideologies, fought with technologies and philosophies, not weapons. The prize? Absolute dominance of not one planet, but two. How far would we go to protect our interests? Would we repeat the mistakes of our past? Or would we find a way to evolve, to work together for the good of both worlds?
We've learned so much.
As the prospect of war looms, humanity must also face the possibility of cooperation. Could Earth 2 be a place where we learn from our mistakes? A place where we stop competing for survival and start collaborating for a shared future? If we could make that leap, we could forge a new kind of civilization, one where both worlds thrive together. Imagine the breakthroughs in science, technology, and culture. Shared knowledge between two worlds with a single goal: survival and prosperity. But the question remains, are we ready for that level of cooperation? Or will we cling to our old ways of thinking, focused on power, control, and domination? What if the Twin Earth could offer more than just a new beginning? What if it could provide the answers to some of humanity's greatest challenges? Climate change, resource scarcity, overpopulation. It could become a sanctuary, a backup for humanity if our own planet becomes too unstable. But as we approach Earth 2, we must ask, are we prepared to leave our mistakes behind? Or will we bring our destructive tendencies with us? Could this new world become the salvation we've been searching for? Or would we destroy it as we have so many others? The Twin Earth forces us to confront our past, present, and future. Could we rise to the occasion and avoid the same mistakes that have marred our history? Or would we find ourselves fighting the same battles on a larger scale? The race to claim Earth 2 won't just be a physical journey. It will be a race of ideas. What vision of the future will we choose to bring to this new world? The future of humanity could be shaped not by the scientists and explorers who reach Earth 2, but by the decisions made in the corridors of power. Will we choose peace, or will competition and fear win the day? And so as humanity stands at the edge of discovery, we are faced with a choice: to treat Earth 2 as a partner in a shared future, or as an enemy to be overcome. We must ask ourselves, what kind of species are we? Are we capable of cooperation, of learning from our past mistakes and building a new world based on collaboration? Or are we doomed to repeat the same cycles of conflict and destruction that have defined our existence? The choice will not just affect Earth 2, it will decide the future of both worlds. What kind of future do we want to create? The idea of Earth 2 challenges everything we know about ourselves. It asks us to consider not just what we want, but what we need. Can we change? Can we evolve beyond our instinct for conflict, for control, for dominance? Or will we be forever trapped in the cycles of our past? The discovery of a twin Earth may not be the end of the story, but the beginning of a new chapter, one that will define the future of humanity for generations to come. In the end, the future of humanity rests in our hands. Earth 2 offers us a second chance, a new beginning. But it's also a mirror, reflecting back at us the choices we've made. The question we must answer is this: will we choose cooperation, peace, and understanding? Or will we fight for power, for resources, for survival? The discovery of Earth 2 is not just an opportunity, it's a responsibility. A responsibility to both our world and the twin world, to ensure that both can thrive, and that we don't fall victim to the same mistakes again. What do you think? Could humanity and its twin civilization coexist peacefully? Or will the drive for power tear us apart? What path will we choose? The future of both Earths is in our hands. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you've enjoyed this journey into the unknown, don't forget to hit subscribe and ring the notification bell. The future is waiting across the stars.